Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in video in VLC Media Player. So first of all, you go to VLC Media Player, you click on Media, and then Open File to upload the file you want to edit. Now that it's uploaded, you go to Media again. You click on Convert/Save. You click right here on Add. You upload the file again, and then click on Convert. You choose where to save the new file with no background noise. Then you go here and choose Video for MPEG-4 1080p TV/device. You go here and choose MP4/movie. Save and then start. That's it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.